Hi, welcome to ILE. This is our factory in Leicester. Let's go inside and take a look around and see what we do here. There's a lot of manufacturing goes on in Leicester. In terms of being a part of the team, I've worked here for 26 years and we have a real good team ethic between us, and everyone gets on well, and it's really nice place to work, yes.
So the scale of it is that we have around 90,000 square feet of space here. We're employing 70 or so local people, and we're producing in the region of 60 to 80 complete lifts a year. It's important for me that our customers have an understanding of just how flexible we can be. We are a family company. Obviously my family have all at times worked within the business, and I like that kind of camaraderie and loyalty that you get when you have a very close-knit group of people working with you.
I enjoy coming to work every day. These guys have all become my friends, really. We work together really well. We're not that big that everyone's a number. We all know each other really well. We get on really well together, and we all pull together to get a project from start to finish as efficiently as we can, and provide a good product at the end of it.
It's just like coming to work with family, you know. But not the family you argue with over Christmas dinner, it's the family you like. We've been manufacturing things since the 80s, so we've got a huge portfolio out there we have to support, and we will support everything back to the day we started. I think we try and give the right product to the environment it's going into. I think we can be proud of that.
I'm full of pride still. What an incredible thing to do in Britain still, to take an idea and develop it into a product and then to stay involved, you know, once it reaches sites.